Hey, good morning, guys. It's 5:58 a.m. right now on a Saturday, and as you can see here, I am driving in my 992 GT3 RS, headed up to Sonoma Raceway today to meet up with my buddies Nick and Nick. That's Nick Cahill and Nick Buchanan. Nick B, as we call him, has a super sick V8 swapped. It's a LS motor inside of an NA Miata, so he'll be running that today at Sonoma, which I'm pretty excited to see. The car is super sick. It's got a lot of awesome details on it. And then Cahill's Miata is also a car that's really well built, something that he's had for a long time. Really nice. It's got an absurd flow turbo kit on it, and again, super clean build, really clean body car, and it's a road race car, fully caged as well. And really excited today because Cahill hasn't been on track in a long time, so excited to be doing some work with him today, getting him more comfortable in the car with some of the AIM goodies that we put on the car. He's got a Smarty Cam now, he's got a Solo 2TL. We can use it to help him find some speed and get him fast. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.